we are able to see how our vision works. Vision is the most important sense a human. We gather more information through our eyes than through all the other senses combined. It takes a fraction of a second for our eyes to take in the scene. They don't even simply take a snapshot, indeed, they make a picturization, the videography of it. In our eyes, there are various parts. It consists of lens, pupil, cornea, etc. Let's learn about them. First of all, we are having the cornea. The curved part of the eye does the bulk of focusing. Then comes the pupil. Light passes through a black hole in the iris called the pupil. Then comes our lens. Behind the pupil is the adjustable lens. It changes the shape to autofocus. Then comes our ciliary muscles. Surrounding the lens is a ring of muscles that pulls on the lens to change its shape. Then the iris. The colored part of the eye is called the iris. Then comes the muscles. Each eyeball is attached to 6 muscles working together. They can move the eye in any direction, give us a way to move and see around us. Retina. The images are captured by retina, a layer of light-sensitive cell lining inside the eyeball. We have the rods and the cones. The light captured by the cell in the retina comes in 2 types, rods and cones. We have the optical nerve. The image captured by the retina are carried to the brain by the optical nerve. We have a blind spot. The blood vessels and the nerves enter and leaves the eyeball here. This is the part of retina which is called the blind spot. We have various problems related to these eyes. Let's learn about them. First comes the myopia. Myopia is a disease, the defect of eye due to which I cannot see the distant object but can see the nearby objects. In this case, the image is formed before the retina. This can be treated by use of a concave mirror. There are other diseases like the hypermetropia. Hypermetropia or the long-sightedness or the far-sightedness. The defect of vision due to which an eye cannot see the nearby object distinctly but can see the distant object clearly. This defect of eye is called the hypermetropia. The image in this case is formed after the retina, and this can be treated by use of a convex mirror. Now let's talk about some other diseases caused by aging. The disease known as the cataract. In this disease, sometimes our lens, the crystalline lens of the eye at the old age becomes milky and cloudy due to the growth of thin membrane over it. This causes the partial or complete loss of vision. This condition is called cataract. It can be corrected by a surgery or removal of that extra growth.